In this lesson, we will learn how to delete geometric relation from a busy sketch. I am working with this delete relation file which you will find inside this 06 folder. I will go inside this sketch by right clicking anywhere on this sketch entity and go to edit sketch. Let's say you want to delete any geometric relation from here. If I want to delete this symmetry geometric relation, I just have to select it, and when I'm selecting it, you can see this is highlighting these two entities because this symmetry relation applied between these two circles. That's why this two is highlighting, which is another good way to know. Let's say I want to know when I applied this equal geometric relation, this relation applied to between which sketch entities. In that case, I just have to hover over it and it will highlight, which is really very good to understand. So I will select this symmetry geometric relation, then press delete key in my keyboard and it will delete. It's really very easy to delete. I don't want to delete it, so I will press Ctrl Z in my keyboard. Now I will show you another way to delete it. I will go to inside this sketch tab. From here I will work with display or delete relations. If I select it, at the top you can see there is one drop down menu. This is just a filtration. If you want to filter based on any different criteria, in that case you can select it. All in the sketch means I want to see all relation inside this full sketch which is listed here. Let's say I want to see the relation between these two circles. So I will select selected entities. I will select this circle and this circle. Geometry applied between these two circles will listed here. I will clear this section. Now I will select this line and this circle. In this case, it will highlight everything applied on this line and on this circle. So all geometric relation is showing here. Also another nice thing is, let's say if I select symmetry, it will also highlight here. Now let's say I want to delete all of this geometric relation together. In that case, at the bottom there is one option called delete all. It will delete all relation from here. Or if I delete one by one, let's say I want to delete symmetry, select it, delete it, it will delete from here. Or if I want to delete all together, I'll press delete all. This is quite powerful. If I go to this drop down menu, from here you can see this is showing external. Let's say your sketch has some external reference. In that case, if I select it, it will show you inside this. If your sketch has some broken relation, in that case if I select it, it will show you only all broken reference inside it. So this is quite powerful to use. Then if your sketch has any missing reference to create the geometric relation, in that case it will list all geometric relations which has missing reference.